The video we have all been waiting for is finally here. So hi guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome to my channel. On this channel, I share sewing tutorials and vlogs. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all the amazing upcoming videos that are coming up on this channel very soon. I have previously uploaded 3 bonnet tutorial videos, and this video is a conclusion of all 3. So you might want to refer to those videos so that you can understand what we are about to do now. Guys, let's get started with the packaging. For the packaging, we'll be needing this trunk carton for stability and firmness. Next off, this tagging gum and some tags that I'll be using to just make it look very branded. My scissors for cutting, this round circle plate for me to create a circle shape, and then my packaging nylon. Right now, I will just go ahead and wash my bonnet. Guys, it is very important you wash things like this that you are trying to package to sell, because you want them to smell fresh and new. And I went ahead to dry them because I'll be putting this in a nylon. I don't want it to smell. So right now it is time for me to iron this, and you can see the way I'm trying to mold this bonnet. This is the right way to iron your bonnet. You just don't go on and iron it anyhow. You just have to iron it this way for it to maintain a proper shape. So in total, I will be packaging 5 bonnets. And this is the process I will be taking for all bonnet caps. So I am just going to keep this aside. And you can see the way I just folded that and I kept it aside. Right now, I am working on the second one, and just observe the way I am just being careful with this. So after I was done ironing all 5 bonnets, it is time for me to cut out my cartons. So I went on to place my circle plate on it to create my circle. And you can see how I am doing that right now. So keep on watching so that you can see how we will use this carton to package our band. So right now I am done creating my circle, and I've gone ahead to cut this out, and in total it is 5 in number. So now it is time for me to fix my tags to my bonnet. So you can actually skip this part if you don't have a tag gun and a tag. I have all of these because I already have a business that I use them for. I sell braided wigs, and you can see the name of my business is Queen's Hair Extensions. So if you don't have this, you can just go ahead and be creative with any tag at all you have, maybe a label. You can even go ahead and use a label for this. You just have to understand that when you are doing businesses like this, packaging is so important because it kind of gives your brand value and respect. Now for the pricing of this cap, for this particular one right now that I just packaged, that is the black and Feroz, I will be selling that for 2,500, and that is because it is very small in size. For this particular one now that I am packaging, I am going to be selling it for 3,500, including this one too that I am packaging as well. So the minimum price I'm selling this bonnet is 2,500 naira. Why for the normal price it is going for 3,500. So if this is a side hustle you intend to go into, you have to be very conscious of the way you manage your materials. You need to manage materials because if it becomes too expensive, customers may find it difficult to pay for your value. And also you need to consider your environment and the people you are selling to. But nevertheless, this is actually a side hustle you should go for, because you need to understand that every woman wears this bonnet cap, both old and young. But just in case you don't want to be selling this directly, you can be selling as a wholesaler, like you supply to people who have beauty stores, and of course they are going to buy it. So yeah guys, this is actually it for this bonnet cap, and I really enjoyed uploading all these videos. And if you haven't seen all tutorial videos, go up on my YouTube channel. Everything is available there. So queens, please subscribe to this channel because I have a lot of amazing stuff coming up very soon. Also like this video if you haven't done that already, and drop your lovely comments in the comment section, and I'll be there to reply you. Or maybe you have any question to ask concerning anything about this video, just let me know in the comment section also. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video guys. Thank you so much for watching.